Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I contour, brontour, and highlight. Good morning, you guys. So for the contouring end, I'll be using the Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick. And this is the light medium 751A stick. And what I love about this Wet n Wild stick is that it's the color. I have very pale skin, and I do like how this is like not too warm and it's not too gray. It's just right for pale skin. So if you've got pale skin, then this is a great color. And this is a cream stick, you guys. And what you want to do is start from your ear and then do that fish face, suck in your cheeks, and then just put it right where your cheekbones pretty much end. And then if you have a large forehead, or excuse me, 5-head like me, you want to go ahead and contour your forehead as well. And then I've got a double chin, so we want to go ahead and contour that. And so the purpose of contouring is to pretty much chisel out or hide our features to make it look so much more narrow and not so protruded out. So, and then I'll explain when I'm highlighting that when you highlight areas of your face, you're actually making those stand out. You're highlighting them. You're not hiding them. You're actually making them stand out. Whereas contouring with the darker shade is you want to go ahead and pretty much diminish that area of your face and kind of chisel out, hide it, or make it look more narrow, such as nose contouring. So what I'm doing now is I'm using the foundation now, which is pretty much my fair skin foundation, and this is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, and this shade is LC1. And this just makes it easier to contour and do your foundation all in one. So I like to go ahead and blend the contour darker shade first, and then do your foundation, which is pretty much for me the lighter shade. And you want to go ahead and blend up with those the contouring so that you could go ahead and chisel out your cheekbones. So the next step is here, I'm using a cream concealer, and this is a Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, and I'll be using this as my cream highlighter. So I'm going to put some on the forehead, the nose, and the chin, and this just makes the face appear brighter. So I like doing 2 steps in one, and that is why usually you want to get a concealer that is maybe, you know, a shade or two lighter than your foundation. Okay, and here is one of my favorite ways to contour the face, and it's called brontouring. It's when you use a bronzer to contour. And this is Tarte's Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer, and it's in Park Avenue Princess. And again, this is a great shade if you have pale skin, because again, it's not too warm and it's not too gray, it's just right. So, and I put that basically the same places that I use the cream contour stick. And I don't do both. I don't do the cream and the powder bronzer. I just use this step usually every day. I'm not a big fan of the cream. I just was showing that to you guys if you do like using creams once in a while. So, and the brush that I like to use for this brontouring is Real Techniques Buffer Brush, and it's just a very soft. That way I don't put way too much bronzer. And now to contour my nose, which I rarely ever do. I'm using the Morphe brush by Jaclyn Hill, number 43. And I'm really liking her brushes. I just received this from as a birthday present from my brother. And I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I absolutely love them. And then I can use my fingers to kind of brush it out, or this is Morphe Jaclyn Hill's number 32 brush to kind of just blend that. Blend that contour powder. All right, and for some powder highlighting, today I'll be using Physician Formula's Translucent Pearl Powder Palette. And for the brush, I'll be using Morphe Jaclyn Hill's number 42. And I'm going to highlight underneath the brow. And then you can use this brush to highlight in the inner corners of the eyes. And this just makes your eyes appear awake and much brighter. Then I'm going to be using Morphe Jaclyn Hill's brush number 32. And I'll be highlighting the highest point of my cheeks. Then the nose. Then the Cupid's bow, and then my chin. So basically you want to highlight what you want to maximize and people to see. You want to contour what you kind of want to hide and diminish. So here is the finished look. Let me show you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my black Hudson jeans, and these are wax coated. And then I'm just wearing a black ribbed turtleneck. And this is from Kelsi's Kloset. So I have the day off today. It's Monday, Columbus Day. So our daughter is in preschool, and then we're going to take her to daycare, and we're going to go out to lunch and have a little date. So I'm excited about that. It's been a good day off so far. So I hope you guys have a good day off, for those of you guys who have it off. And have a great week, and see you in my next video. Bye.